How to fix blurry WhatsApp profile picture. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how you can fix your blurry picture on WhatsApp. If any picture that you've uploaded has turned blurry on WhatsApp, let's go over the process on how we can fix it. But before that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So there may be certain reasons why your profile picture has turned blurry in WhatsApp. One of the reasons may be because you don't have a stable network at that moment, and due to that you are not able to see your picture in the quality that you've uploaded in HD quality. So in order to check if that is true, you may just switch to a greater speed Wi-Fi network and see if that is the problem. If that isn't the problem, you may just simply go to Play Store and look for any kind of updates, because maybe sometimes due to no update of the WhatsApp, the bug appeared and your WhatsApp profile picture has turned blurry. So if any update is available, you may just see, you will be able to see any update if it is available on Play Store. After that, simply tap on update and wait for the update to be completed. So the next thing is, I want you to open up your WhatsApp app. After opening it up, I just want you to go to your settings, and then there look up to your profile if you have posted a HD quality picture or not, because so if your profile picture is not in higher resolution, you may just change it into a higher resolution picture and see the changes. So the another thing is, I want you to go to storage and data. After going to your settings, just tap on storage and data, and here you will be able to see network usage. So simply tap on reset statistics here at the very last option and clear everything. After that, see if that makes any changes. So therefore, those are the steps that you may follow in order to change the quality of your WhatsApp profile picture. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.